Hi, it's Richard. You may have already watched my cooking video, but this one here is going to be talking about the harmful effects of cooking smoke. And let me start here. Only 30% of all range hoods properly remove cooking smoke from the kitchen. For the other 70% of homes or families, that cooking smoke drifts through your home, lands on your furniture, your fabric, fogs your windows up, and when it does, it turns to grease, because that's what cooking smoke is. It's grease. But the worst part of that is that you're breathing it into your lungs. And that's my dogs telling me that I need to also remind you that they have lungs too, and that cooking smoke is just as bad for them. But it contains carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, VOCs, particulate matter, and many more carcinogens. And when you breathe that into your lungs, you're looking at pulmonary disease. It can create that, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. So I'm sort of giving you the capsulized version of all the research that's on the website, and I hope you go and watch it there. But let me just tell you this. On our planet, 2 million people die every year just from breathing the air inside their home. Research shows that children growing up in homes with poor air quality are more likely to get asthma and allergies. In the US alone, there's over 26 million people with asthma, 50 million with allergies, another 16 million with COPD. That's almost 100 million people there, and we're not even talking about those with tuberculosis or emphysema and so many other respiratory illnesses on there. If there's one thing I hope you take away from this short video, it's this: your lungs are the most sensitive organ in your body when it comes to the environment. Again, just take a look at all the statistics here. You can see it's almost 1/3 of our population has some type of respiratory issue. And you might say, look, I'm young, I'm healthy, I think I'll be okay. Just know about 5,000 people, healthy people, every day in this country come down with one form or another of respiratory illness on there, okay? So, and if you're not sure if you have a cooking smoke problem in your home, just rub your finger across the top of your refrigerator. And if you feel grease, you have a respiratory issue. Now, there are some people who are more vulnerable to this, young children, mostly because their immune system doesn't fully develop till they're 7 or 8 years old. Right now, I think there's like 6,000 young children in this country that have asthma, and they got it when they were 4 and 5 years old. Another group that's vulnerable are those who are getting older, because the immune system is getting weaker, and they need to be very cautious about cooking smoke and just the quality of indoor air. And the other group would be those who have a chronic health condition like asthma, allergies, lung or heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and so many more. And if there's anything we've learned over the past 2 years, it's this: if you have an existing condition and you get another condition, you could put enormous stress on your immune system, and some of those people will end up on a respirator in a hospital somewhere. That's it in a capsule. Go to my website, read everything about it. You can go out and spend $2,500 and get a new range hood, but nobody's going to give you any guarantees, whatsoever. You could spend $60 with me, and you have a product that's going to take all that cooking smoke out of your home. So that's it for now. Stay healthy, keep your family healthy, keep your pets healthy, all right? And I'll see you next time.